Hey, it's Melissa here and welcome back. So today I'm really excited. I'm taking part in the How to Colour Kit with Style series. It was devised by Sarah Scraps and there's about over 20 YouTubers taking part. And what we're doing is we are taking a kit each month. So it could be a kit that you subscribe to, it could be a kit that you've put together, or it could be a kit or like a collection, or it could just be, I don't know, whatever you want it to be. So I am using my latest Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit, and if you watched my last video for the Page Maps Secret Not Secret Kit collaboration, you would have seen it. And it's a mix of Pinkfresh Studio BU, and the other one is called the Love one. So I'll have to have a look in a second, see it. And of course, because Christina's put it together, she's added some of her own yummy things in there as well. So I had done I filmed this live. Let Your Heart Decide is what it's called. I filmed this live and I had my youngest there, youngest two, so 18 months and 4 years. And honestly, when I listen back to it, it's just really interrupted and it's not going to work. So I'm doing a voiceover. It's the first time I've ever done a voiceover on sharing a kit, so bear with me. So I'll get into it. So the first piece is this one with the beautiful hearts on it from Let Your Heart Decide. I love it. I don't know if I'm going to fussy cut it or yeah, I'm not really sure. I'll just use part of it. I think it'll be too full on as a background, but it's absolutely beautiful. Excuse me. So I'm not really sure what I'm doing there, probably telling my kids to be quiet. Mum life. So that is the B side, and that's a really interesting piece as well. This one from the BU collection, if you've watched my last video for that collaboration with Page Maps, you would have seen that I use the floral side. This one is from BU and it's beautiful. Both sides are really beautiful. This is a beautiful navy piece. I can't see which collection it's from. I like it because it adds something that's not as light and pastel-y to the mix of the kit. So, but the other side is, oh my goodness, that's BU. It's just so beautiful. So I want to make sure I use probably both sides of that. This one I just adore. It's screaming to be fussy cut. I just love everything about it. It's little like stamps on a grid, and the B side's really pretty as well. Here is another, I think this is a B side as well. So I'm showing you these in the order and with the A's and B's, the way I've got them. So Christina has put them like this, and so I've actually got two pieces of that. And I'm really happy about it because I love both, and I think that enables me to use that spotted sort of tealy colour one as a full background. So I'd also asked for some Dear Lizzie, is it Hello Colourful You? Hello Colourful You? Stay colourful. Stay colourful. So I think that might have been a piece of that. This is another beautiful piece, and I will struggle to use both of them. This is another Dear Lizzie one, I think. It looks like sprinkles on a cake. I'm having to keep stopping this and restarting it because I need to cough. I've got this stupid post-viral cough. And that is the last piece. So I love both of those sides as well. So those are the 12 by 12s, and I love that Christina also put some 6 by 6 papers into the kit too. So I think that one will be a Pinkfresh one. Yeah, they're single-sided. That one I absolutely love. I'm just showing you quickly what I've got. So I'm going to have fun working with all of these as well. And I think I've used some of them already in that first layout that I made. So that is all the paper in the kit. I'm just going to leave it there so you can see how the embellishments work with it. And so these are some letter stickers. They're like an enamel. They are an enamel kind of sticker. They're from the Case of the Blahs collection from Pinkfresh. Then I've got the full ephemera pack from the BU collection, and I just adore it. It's got the most beautiful florals, what florals? More leaves, a few florals, some birds, and some really good phrases. So these are the puffy stickers from Let Your Heart Decide. They are incredible. I just think it is really amazing how the three collections, so the two Pinkfresh and the Dear Lizzie one, go together so well. I think this is also out of the same collection, and they are just so beautiful. This kit is really packed. I think I would have told her to spend 30 or 35 US dollars. And now into the goodies. So I hadn't pre-opened these. I'm literally opening it for you for the first time. So we've got a couple of pieces of trim, really, really sweet, and 3 of these little, they're like embroidery cotton little bow kind of things. And in here, so these I think are from the Dear Lizzy, what is it called again? I can't even, Stay Colourful. Stay Colourful. And I love these. They are a different design to the Pink Fresh, but they just go so well with kit. So love them. I don't know if the glittery words come in there or not. So I love as you get these little packages of goodies, and you know that no one else has got the same as you, which I love about Christina's kits as well. So the last package, I'm trying to remember what's in there. Oh yeah, so the breads, which are a wooden button with enamel on them, I love them. I think they're from Dear Lizzy as well. And then the hearts, I think they must be from Let Your Heart Decide. There's some enamel dots in there, a couple of frames, and if you've been watching my channel, you know I struggle with frames. So these are beautiful, and I have to make a real effort. I'm going to make a real effort to use them. Some of those, is it like leather, fake leather stickers, and a postcard, like a journaling card. So I think, yeah, that's my whole kit. I hope you enjoyed listening to me explain it, and I am really looking forward to getting creative with it. So yeah, the plan is that I will do some probably videos, and some I won't, because I'll just create myself, and at the end of the month I'll come back and do a killer kit and show you what I made. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love working with kits, and I love doing my killer kit at the end. So yeah, that's my kit for June, and I'm really excited to get started. So thank you, Sarah, for including me in this, and I'm so excited. Take care.